Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Honeygain to earn money. Firstly, go to the official Honeygain website and download the application for Windows. After the download finishes, open the installer, and if your browser opens it automatically, proceed to the next step and click on the installer to start the installation process. Honeygain setup wizard will open. Just click Next and complete the steps. Once the installation is complete, the installer will automatically open the Honeygain application. In there, click the user icon at the top right corner. Then if you already have a Honeygain account, click Login and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on Create an account to sign up and enter required details. After logging in or creating an account, you can start using Honeygain to earn passive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. And that's it, you're ready to start earning with Honeygain. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this video,